I would love just to be stuck to your side, not with anybody else, anybody else. It's enough just to keep us occupied. Please don't go.
I can't do these long drives sitting in the backseat, thinking about that one night when the world got fire, baby. And your eyes brightened up this dark scene. You told me I would be fine, I called you a lie.
No, it's not the same as it was, as it was, as it was. No, it's not the same.
Tuh guys, ini yang versi pakai lampu tuh, lucu banget ya. Kalau malam ini hidupnya cantik banget. Jadi yang mau order silahkan WA, follow IG-nya ya.